Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personalization to a product in the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So first, just search for a product on Etsy. And just a reminder that this is not applicable to all of the products, but if you see this caption under the options and quantity section that add personalization, then just go to that. And as you can see, it says that if purchasing the option for a printed message inside your cart, please leave your message here. So since it's a birthday card, it can be personalized. So in the personalization section, just type anything that you want to be written within the card. And once you did that, proceed to the add to basket button. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.